All right. Good morning, everyone. I trust you are doing well. My name is Dr. Mrs. Anastasia Kumikosa, and I'll be your course facilitator for this course. Before we get into it, I would want us to try to get to know each other and possibly select our course reps before we get into what this course is all about. Today is actually an introductory class. So we want to get to know you and we want to get to know what the course is about. All right. So having introduced myself, I will open the floor. So I see about 21 people online. When you introduce yourself, tell us which center you are in, so we know those who are available today. All right. Okay. So to begin with the introductions, kindly turn on your cameras and introduce yourselves. If there's any relevant information you would like to add, let us know. Maybe you can tell us where you are, where you work, or what you do. That's fine. So I think I will begin with the list that as I can see it here. So you mention your name and then tell us your center and any other thing that you'd want to tell us. So I'm 10. Let me see. You turn your cameras on and you do that for us. Okay, so from the list, as I can see here, we have Adai Judith. Adai Judith. Is Judith here? If it's not. Hello, is Judith here? All right, so we'll move on to Akushia Chumwa. That is what I see here. So I don't know if you are joining with a different device name. Akushia Chumwa. Oh, Akushia, we could barely hear you. Could you kindly go over it again? Ghana. Still, there's a lot of feedback, but we'll go just a little. It's fine. The next is Ikia. Well, I see that her video is on. I believe you are ready to talk now. Yeah, Judith, over to you.
Good morning, madam. My name is Judith Abra Adai from KTI.
All right, nice to meet you, Judith. Yes, so the next is Ikia Tilly. She here? No?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Please, I'm Matilda.
Okay. And what's your center?
My center is at Eastern Region, Ghana.
All right. You say your name is Matilda.
Yes, please.
Matilda.
Ojo Echampo.
All right. Nice to meet you, Matilda. Yes, I'm Professor Samuel. Professor Samuel, enough since we all got into a meeting. Is he here? No? Okay. Bye, Joseph.
Okay, so madam, my name is Chimampofo. I'm from Ghana.
Okay, come on, Popu. Am I here to get to you or you are Bye, Joseph?
I am Chimampofo.
Yourself before I call you.
Please, I can hear you.
Yes, I'm saying that I was mentioning the list as I see it here. So I want to be sure if your name comes up later or you are Bad Joseph.
No, I'm in the same class with my Joseph.
Okay. But can I say, hold on a minute, just a minute. Okay. So Chumampofu, you are on here, but I hadn't gotten to you yet. But
Yes,
since you've
please.
mentioned your name is fine, tell us your name, any other relevant details, maybe where you work in your center. If you do, if you don't have to.
Okay, so I'm Chimampofo. I work with Anointed Engineering Service Limited, Accra, Odoko branch.
All right, great. Nice to meet you too.
Nice meeting you, madam.
Okay. Let's move on to Boateng Ezekiel. I'm not sure about Joseph is here.
Madam, yo,
Good morning, madam.
No, but Joseph. Well,
um,
let's hear from Ba, and then I'll come back to you, Ezekiel.
Okay.
Banjisel
My name is
from
Boatin
Ghana
Ezekiel
Center.
from
Ghana Center.
Ezekiel,
huh?
Ezekiel,
Other
can you
man.
just hold on 1 second? Let Ba introduce himself, and then you can go ahead. Yes, Ba.
Yeah, Banjisel from Ghana Center.
Okay. Right. Nice to meet you. Yes, Ezekiel.
Nice to meet you too.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
This is Boatin Ezekiel from KTI Center. I work with DHMC United Property Credit Union,
Okay.
DHMC branch. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Ezekiel. Yeah. Let's move on to Charity Nidebe. Sorry if I'm getting the name wrong.
Hello, madam. Please, good morning, madam.
Good morning, dear.
Hello, good morning,
Yes,
madam.
good morning, dear.
Please, my name is Charity Nibebiru, and I'm at Ghana's Senior High.
All right. Nice to meet you, Charity.
Same here, madam.
All right. Dance you can.
So please, I'm Dan Eugene from Ghana's as a study center. So, and I work with Beacon International School at Peduase, Equiapem.
Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, Eugene.
Okay, madam. I didn't add where I work. I didn't know they were adding.
Yeah.
I work with Ghana Immigration Service.
Wonderful.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you, Charity.
madam.
All right. Then we'll move on to Emmanuel Atanyako. I think he's our host. I'm not sure. Emmanuel, are you a monitor or are you a student yourself? So I'll skip Emmanuel Nyako and then I'll move on to Felix Owusu-Sapon.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Felix.
Please, my name is Felix Disapon.
Felix,
My study, my study center is KTI Business, Kumasi, and I work with Enterprise Life Insurance. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Felix. All right. We'll move on to Florence Posia. Florence Posia, yeah. Florence Posia, are you here? No? Okay. Isaac.
Good morning, madam.
Oh, she's here. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, madam. I'm
Good morning.
Fosia Florence from STU, Sinyane. I work
Florence,
with.
we can't see you. Okay.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, dear.
I'm Fosia Florence from STU, Sinyane. I work with Dema Area Rural Bank.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Florence.
To meet
Let's
you.
move on to Isaac Fuachi. Fuachi. Sorry if I'm getting it wrong.
Yeah.
Yes. Fuachi.
That's
Okay.
right. Good morning,
Good
madam.
morning, Isaac.
So my name is Isaac Fiachi. Okay. And I'm from KTI Business. I also work with McBain Preparatory School, a driver and a teacher.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Nice to meet you, Isaac. All right, Jennifer Mensah. Jennifer Mensah. Not here. All right, we'll move on to Mercy.
Hello, madam.
Popo. I hope I got it right.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Madam, please, good morning.
Mercy, we can't see you.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning, darling.
Madam, please, my learning center is Ghana's, and I work as home care for a patient, mental health patient.
Come again. You work at?
I work as a home care lady for a patient who is a mental health challenge, who has a mental health challenge.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. That's nice. That's nice. That's a lot of impact there. All right. More society. More society. Yes, no. No. Okay. I think Sylvester or say Kujo.
Hello, madam. This is Moses.
Oh, Moses. Okay.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Moses.
Please, I'm Moses Society. I'm from Ghana's Center. I work with Manya Krobo Rural Bank.
Wonderful. Okay. Thank you, Moses.
Thank
we'll
you.
Move on to Prince Zoka. We didn't leave the meeting.
By the time that we start introduction lectures,
Prince, you have lost Prince. Can you mute yourself, Moses? Okay, Kwanzaa Felicia. Kwanzaa Felicia, we want to see you.
Hello, madam. Please, good morning.
Good morning, darling. We
My name is
can't see you.
Felicia, and I'm KTI Business Center. I work with entrepreneurs with Rural Bank PLC.
Nice. Felicia, we can't see you.
Okay, madam. Please, madam.
All right.
Thank
All
you.
right. Nice to meet you. Yes. Is it Rachel? Rachel.
Yes, madam.
No.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
My name is Rachel Lady from Ghana Center. I work in
You work with?
I work with a company called Good Times.
What do they do?
Please, is that
What do they do?
they produce food
Okay.
and
And soap.
please, is
Did you say soap? Fruit juice and
fruit juice and then they will cut raw fruit, export them.
oh, nice. Okay. All right. Thank you, Rachel. Rebecca also.
Madam, my name is Rebecca Uso from Ghana Center, and I work at Ministry of Roads and Highways, Corporate Training Center.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Rebecca. Who's a day? Who's a day?
Hello.
Yeah, Ruth.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Ruth.
My name is Adai.
Ruth, we can't see you. Ruth, and we can't hear you also. Unmute your mic. Yeah, Ruth.
Madam. My name is Adai Ruth from Ghana Center.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. Salamata Abubakar Saim. I hope I'm getting it right.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, Salamata.
Please, my name is Salamot Abubakar Said, and I work with Trillium Industrial Company.
William.
Yes, please.
Unfortunately, we can't see your video. Okay. Salamata. It's Salamatu, sorry. Nice to meet you, dear. All right. Sandra.
Madam. Hello.
Yeah, go on, Sandra. Yeah, listening. We can hear you.
Madam, please, I'm Sandra Atta Owusu, and I work with from KTI Business Center, and I work with my Rural Bank.
Yeah, can we see you, Sandra?
Hello.
Okay, nice to meet you, Sandra. All right. Talhatu Mohammed. Talhatu Mohammed.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Please, I'm Mohammed Talhatu from KTI Learning Center, a teacher at Seneja in the Setura East District.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
All right, let's have Tano Prince.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Tano Prince from KTR Center, and I'm working with Upper Manfira Bank.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and Chuma Hopeful has already introduced it. So, left with the, no, I think I'm Professor Mo. We still did not hear from you. And then we have Ella Pokua joining us. Ella, can you introduce yourself? Is Ella here?
Hello, madam.
Yes,
Yes,
Ella.
please.
Can we see you? Okay, Ella. Nice to meet you. Yeah, go ahead and mention your name.
Please, I'm Emmanuel Opoku from KTI Center, and I'm a salesperson at Swami Magazine.
Oh, all right. Nice. Nice to meet you, Ella.
Thank
All
you,
right.
ma'am.
We also have Emanuela Amwati. Emanuela Amwati.
Yeah, madam, please, good morning.
Good morning.
Madam, please, I'm Martin Male Jr. from Fiasmai Center. I'm a teacher at Bosumi School Complex, Pristia.
All right. Thank you, Emanuela. Mary Nima. Mary Nima.
I'm Enimama. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
I'm Enimama Mary from Ghana's Learning Center, and I'm working with Advancing Community Bank.
Okay. Thank you, Mary. Michael, are you? Michael, are you? Be here.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Michael.
Sorry, Mr. Ayun. I'm from
Michael,
Ghana.
we can't see you.
Actually, I'm at the website.
Yeah, it's fine. We still want to see your face.
Okay. Can you see me now?
Oh, unfortunately not.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know if it's just me or it's everyone else.
So what I'm saying, I'm looking at it.
You go on. Don't go on. You go on.
Like, I'm from Tema.
Come again, Michael.
I'm working with Jesse Life, and I'm from Tema. Can you
Hello.
please? Hello, madam.
Yes, Michael.
Please, I said I'm working with SIC Life, and I'm from Tema.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. Okay. Thank you. Let me just do a quick scan and then see. Still, Amprofi, we've not heard from you. Amprofi, some more. All right, Francis Owusu Mensah. Francis Owusu Mensah. See here?
Online.
Is he here? All right. I think that'll be it for the introduction. Okay, Francis.
Yes, please, I'm here, please, madam.
Yes. Can you turn on your camera for us and introduce yourself? Okay. Go ahead, Francis. We are listening to you. Hello, Francis. Can you hear us? Hello, Francis. Okay, Felix Owusu Sapon, your hand is up.
Oh,
Okay, madam, please, I want to draw your attention that when you permitted Prince Tano to introduce himself, he didn't turn the camera on. You want
Oh,
to
you
see
didn't?
Prince.
Oh, Prince. I'm told you didn't turn on your camera, so we
Yes,
didn't get
please.
to see you.
Oh, madam, please, I have some challenges with the face camera. That is why.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Francis, I think your mic is off. Can you check that? We seem to have lost him. Okay. All right. I think that's it for the introductions. It's wonderful to meet all of you. And as I mentioned my name earlier, for those who are not, or who were not, sorry, here at the beginning, I mentioned that my name is Anastasia Kumikosa, and I'll be your course facilitator for this course. All right. Let's get into what the course is all about, and then we'll come back to decide on who becomes our course rep. All right. And discuss other things we need to do concerning the course. Give me just a second. Can you all see my screen?
Yes,
madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now, give me just a second. Okay. Okay. Do you see it again? You see it again?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
All
madam,
right.
please.
Great. All right.
Yes.
Now, so this course is ADM211D, computer processing. No, computer applications, sorry, computer applications in document processing. Now you would notice that the model that we are using does not bear the same name or registration number if you go into the materials that will be forwarded to you. Not to worry, this course there was designed for beard management, right? So it was designed by an education lecturer. And so the course name within education is what you see on the model, okay, as document processing. And you would see that it bears a different course code. But in the School of Business, this is computer applications in document processing. And or the Department of Business Programs, as you know it. It is computer applications in document processing. Very soon, we'll have our own model out, and then we may not rely on this model anymore. But the content is mostly the same, all right? So don't be worried when you open up your material and you do not see computer applications, but rather you see document processing, all right? Okay. Now, what is this course about? Um, um, what is this course about? Now, this course is designed to give you some practical skills in using different applications as a manager or as an administrator. All right. So it opens us up to the world of work, essentially, attempting to give us some practical skills when it comes to putting together any form of business correspondence. And not only that, moving forward, maybe to know how to input data, because we'll be looking at Excel, and how to, put together your graphs, use that to get some pictorial representation of the data. And so all it does is to help us, gain some practical skills on the various applications or softwares that are used in the world of work, so that you get some first-hand experience on what to do or how things are done in the office. Now, usually administrative systems and procedure was supposed to be a prerequisite for this course, this particular course. And so that's why you see it as two. And so administrative systems should have come, and we are working on rectifying that error. But at the end of the day, you still get the knowledge. So when we start with administrative systems and procedures, that is a bit more broadened, and it eases us into business correspondence and how to prepare them. And this kind of gives us, broadens that skill on how to put together the different correspondence, how to create circulars, memos, postcards and all of that. So document processing simply is opening us up to the world of work. Now, this is a very practical course. And so it's not necessarily going to be a theory kind of, I read and I write kind of, all right? It will require you to familiarize yourselves with some of the applications, okay? And so, for instance, if we are doing Excel, you will need to know how to use Excel, all right? You need to know how to input the data and generate graphs from Excel. It's not about reading how to do it, but actually doing it for yourselves. So for those of you that do not have any experience with, a machine, for instance, this would be your opportunity to familiarize yourself with some of these applications, so that when you do get the opportunity to prove yourself, you are well ahead of those who may not have gained such experience. And also for those who are already in the world of work, we are hoping this serves as additional knowledge for you, so you can practicalize it in your various offices. Okay. So let's get into what the course is all about. All right. Now, for our first units, we'll be looking at how to design a job application letter and your curriculum vitae. Now, I know most of you are already in your various jobs, and so you might have written a job application letter before. For those who are not yet employed, this is the opportunity to get first-hand information on how to put together a strong application letter. Now, for those who are employed and probably want to get out of where they work now, and get out may be a strong word, but maybe you want to find alternative employment. This is also an opportunity to market yourself strongly. So we take you through how to put together such application letters, what it needs to highlight, so that you probably market yourself the way you need to any employer, and that makes you most eligible for the job in question. So we'll go through that and then look at the various types of application letters, how to format them, as well as the parts. Then we'll move on to curriculum vitae and how different that is for resume, right? While resumes are more focused on the corporate world, CVs are more for the academic purposes. So CVs are more broadened, and you find that those in academic roles often use CVs, and those who find themselves in the corporate world will use resumes. But we'll get into that, try to understand it, and look at the various types of resumes and how to go about formatting some of these documents. Now, is somebody's hand up?
Madam, please stop for interruption. Our police, they are often they read BEd management. They want to know that they can join us become management students. They are called document protection 1.
No, if we are doing document processing 2 and not 1.
Okay.
So they can't join us for document. You know, we need to resolve this. I will probably call the examination officer, the registration and examination officer, and then we'll sort this out. All right. So after we've selected our course rep, I'll give you the information on what those students are expected to do. But are they on call now? Are they with us now?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right. All right. They can stay in here, but I suspect they should be doing document processing 1, not 2.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And the way our courses are structured is slightly different from theirs, right? So let me just confirm with the registration officer, and then I'll put the information on the platform so they know what to do.
Okay.
All right. Yes. So we'll get into that. And most of the work here will be done by you. It's where you get your first assignment. You draft your own job application letter, a resume, so we can see your CV, depending on which type of work you are hoping to find, right? So, yes. And there are a few resume templates available that you can use. And so we may look at a few, but care should be taken when using resume templates, right? So, because for every job, there's a way you need to tailor your resume. It doesn't mean your resume must be the same for all jobs, right? So, using a template kind of defeats the how different you should put your resumes together for the different kinds of jobs. But at least it gives you an idea of the important parts of a resume, what needs to go there. And then as you change or as you apply to different jobs, you modify it as and when the need be. All right. We'll also move on to look at circulars and mail magic. Now, circulars, yes, we'll get into what they are, how to put them together. But mail merging is mostly, It's more practical, right? So we'll go through that as well. But for mail merging, I'll be forwarding a video to you that will guide your understanding of how to merge mails. All right. So for some of the topics, I will be sending you a number of videos to guide your understanding of the topic. All right. Then we will move on to meeting documents, where we'll look at what meetings are, what notices are, what an agenda is, and what minutes are. So we look at meetings, the types, and meeting documentation, the notices, agenda, minutes, and how they are different from each other, and how to generally put together a good meeting. All right. Then we'll move on to how to use shapes, charts, and text box to design different kinds of invitations. Okay, so we'll look at the postcards and then invitation cards and how we use these text boxes to design some of these cards. All right, so we'll go through that as well. And we will look at Microsoft Excel, like I said earlier. So we'll get into how to launch the Excel page, what is in there, how to input data, how to format it, how to create graphs and all of that. We will look at Excel. And then we'll wrap up with our Unit 6, which is actually, it's not a very common, which I mean, not common for Prezi, but I think for PowerPoint, it is a bit more common, right? We know, or most of us have relied on Microsoft's PowerPoint, sorry, to put together our slides. But our new knowledge now will come to creating such presentations with Prezi, all right? And we'll go through all of that as well. So how to put together your slides, how to add a new slide, delete a slide, how to insert some important elements on your slide, or how to spice it up, or how to add on images and all of that. We will get into it, and then end with Prezi and how to create a presentation using Prezi. And then we wrap up with the course. So it's going to be a very interactive kind of session, or a very interactive course. It's not going to be one-sided. All of us will bring our hands on board so that you learn by experience. It's a kind of experiential learning. You learn by doing, all right? So we'll be moving through the course together, and hopefully by the end of it, you should have learned something new or picked up a skill or two. Now, to ensure that the course is more interactive, you will be carrying out presentations. And so some of these units will be assigned to you as presentation topics. And so you will take us through, or on that particular day, some of you will take us through our units per your presentation or your assigned topic, and help us understand. And that is why I'm saying it would help you familiarize yourself with some of the applications. So by the end of your presentation, you have a fair idea about how a particular software works, at least how it works. So the presentation schedule will be forwarded to you, and in due course, you will be asked to carry out those presentations or deliver those presentations. But we'll do that after we've selected our course reps and I have a fair estimate of the number of students that will be part of this course for this semester. All right, I'll pause here. Is there any question? Is there anything you would like to know before we come back to selecting our course rep? No? All right. Per my schedule, as I have here, I'm supposed to have students from, so I'm supposed to have students from KTI, and I think quite a number of you mentioned that you were from KTI, or maybe 4 or 5 of you. And then I'm supposed to, and KTI supposed to have 16 students. From Ghana, also 16, and quite a number of you also mentioned you were from Ghana. No, sorry. Ghana is actually 12. Ghana is 12. Then KTI is 16, and Enchi and Fiaseman. Do we have anyone from Enchi or Fiaseman on here? Because I don't recall any of you saying you were from Enchi or Fiaseman.
Hello, madam. Please, I'm Martin Manuela. I'm from Fiasmai.
Fiaseman, great. Okay. All right. So I can see Amprofi Samuel's camera on. Amprofi, can you introduce yourself? And tell us your center, and if you'd like to share where you work. Your mic is muted, so kindly unmute yourself. We can hear you. Samuel, your mic is off. We can't hear you. Great.
Hello, madam.
Yes, great, Samuel. We can hear you now.
Madam, my center is at KTI.
Okay. All right. And you are?
Samuel Amprofi.
All right. Nice to meet you, Samuel.
You are welcome, madam.
Is there anyone on here who has not? I think there are a few. They can introduce themselves. And then I think we have Audu Ibrahim.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, Audu, can you turn your camera on and introduce yourself?
Oh, how do you grind?
Okay. What's your center and where do you work? You do. Okay.
I'm a cobbler.
Oh, wonderful. So you're an entrepreneur, you do your own work.
Yeah, madam.
Oh, wonderful.
Business. So, business.
Nice. Nice to meet you, Audu. Yeah.
You're welcome.
All right. Then we have Enoch Kwao. Enoch Kwao. Are you here with us? Enoch Kwao. Yes. Okay. Enoch, are you here? I think I can see you attempting to speak. Please check your microphone to be sure it's on.
So when you're using the one how you got masters online.
Kindly mute yourself for us, Ibrahim. All right. I think Evelyn Ejewa. Evelyn Ejewa.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
I'm Evelyn. You are from SG.
Come again.
I'm Evelyn Ejiwa from SG.
Moses, kindly turn your mic off. Evelyn Ejewa, what is your center?
STU, ma'am.
STU.
Yes, please.
Do I have STU? Give me just a second. Let me check. STU. Okay,
But we are
so
based on Chisek.
you what?
Our center is STU, but unfortunately we are based on Chisek.
You are going on JUSEC.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to confirm. I think, Evelyn, you are with Madam Eva.
Hello. Yes. Please.
So there are two groups, all right? So
Okay.
depending on the centers, an STU is under Madam Eva. So when you go back and you check the schedule, you get the link to her class. Maybe next week you can join her, or if you want, you can join her now. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes. Is there anyone else? I think Kanga Elonye. Kanga Elonye. I
Yes,
hope I
madam.
got that right. All right.
Please, I'm from Kenya. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I'm from Kenya.
You're from
St. John.
St. John's. Again, I want to believe that you are for Madam Eva. Give me a
Madam
second.
Eva.
Let me just check.
Oh.
Yes, you are for Madam Eva. Yes. So maybe you can join next week if you want to stay here too. It's fine.
Okay.
Not for now. I mean for today. Then subsequent ones you may have to join Madam Eva.
Okay, madam.
Okay. All right. The Yohani Aiti. Yohani Aiti. Are you here?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, Yohani, we want to see you introduce yourself.
I am IT Yohan from St. John's Campus.
Again, all St. John, you are with Madam Eva. So maybe next week you can join her. And Ofa Claire. Ofa Claire.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
My name is Clarence Mb from KTI.
Great. All right. So KTI is with us. Okay. Prince Zoka. No, I think you mentioned, you introduced yourself earlier, right? Prince, did you? Hello? Is he here? Okay. All right. Now, I think we'll move on to look at our course reps for the course. I don't know what is the arrangement? Do you select 2 course reps for the entire course, or do you select the course reps according to your centers?
Hello, good morning, madam.
Yes, Moses.
Please, I'm Douglas Ofosu. I'm having problem with my phone, so I couldn't join, and I'm using Moses' phone to show up.
That's fine. That's fine. You said Douglas, right?
Yes, please.
So can
From
we
Ghana.
see Douglas?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Nice to meet you. This is Douglas, not Moses.
Yes, please. From
Oh,
Ghana.
from Ghana. All right.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Is there anyone else joining with someone else's phone that would want to introduce themselves? or someone else's device that would want to introduce themselves. Okay. So what has been the convention? Do you select course reps from the various centers, or do you select just course reps for the course?
Please, madam, I suggest we select general course rep for the course. Perhaps maybe 2 course reps for the course, and if possible, we select 1 course rep for a particular center. That's my suggestion.
Oh, in addition to the general course reps. So that makes it how many? So if it's 3 centers, that makes it 5 course reps.
Sure.
So I think we need to choose between the 2. So either we have course reps across the centers, and it's 1 each, and then all of them, work for their centers, or we just select 2 as general course reps.
Madam.
Yes, Felicia.
Please, this is Ezekiel.
Oh, Ezekiel. All right.
Okay, madam, I suggest we should choose a course rep for each of the center.
Okay. Okay. All right. Any other suggestion? I saw Ade, your camera, Ade Judith, your camera came. Sorry, your mic was on. I presume you wanted to say something. Okay, so do we all agree? If you agree, just show by hand. If you agree that we should select the course reps according to the country.
Hello.
Okay, just show by hand. If you disagree, show by hand. You disagree, show by hand. Okay. All right. If you are neutral, show by hand. You are in between. It doesn't really matter to you. Show by hand. Okay, then I think our decision will be to select our course reps from the various centers. All right, so we'll start with KTI. KTI, can I get a volunteer as a course rep?
Madam, this is Ezekiel. We already have a course rep, which is Isaac Fiache.
Isaac, all right. So
yes,
Isaac will stay as course rep. Isaac, do you agree to stay as course rep?
For KTI Center.
Isaac, are you here with us? All right. Let's move on. Ghana. Ghana, do you already have a course rep as well?
Yes, madam. We already have a course rep. Eugene Danso.
Danso.
Okay, Danso, do you accept?
Madam, he will accept if he likes it or not.
Madam Dansu Eugene Ghana.
Madam,
Sure, Eugene Danso, Ghana.
It looks like Danso, Ghana, everybody agrees that you be the course rep. So, Alberto, for is your hand up. Welcome, Albert. This is computer applications in document processing. And this is, yes, I don't know, what is your center?
Takwa Fiasek.
Fiaseman.
Fiaseman, yeah, Fiaseman.
Yes. Then this is your class. All right. So since you just got in, Albert, you have to introduce yourself. Turn on your camera and introduce yourself.
Okay.
I'm Alberto Fori from Siasec Center, Siasmans SHS Center.
All right. Thank you.
Become management.
Okay. All right. I see Augustine Goza. Augustine, can you introduce yourself? Okay, back to Danso Eugene. Danso, do you accept? We've not heard from you.
Yes, please.
All right, very well. Then the last is Inchi Fiasiman. Do you also have your course reps already? Inchi Fiasiman. There's no one here. I think, Albert, you are from Fiasiman, right? Is there any other person from Fiasiman? We'll need a volunteer as course rep.
Some members here.
There are some members here.
But majority of them have not done yet.
Okay, so we are selecting our course rep. Can you recommend someone or would you volunteer?
Okay. I recommend Augustina Boache.
Is she here with us?
Augustina.
Augustina doesn't seem to be here. We have Augustine Guza, but not Augustina.
Our network is not good. Hello.
Your network is not good. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, Albert, can you hear me?
Yeah, Augustina.
Augustina, eh? All right. Well, that's one. Okay. Yeah. So per out Augustina, I think we'll make that decision at our next session. All right. So for now, Auntie Fiasiman, we don't have the name of your course rep. I think it's you and one other lady who mentioned that she was from Fiasiman. Was it what's her name? Mary Nima? Is it Mary Nima? I'm not sure. One of you also mentioned you were from Fiasiman. So I don't know the numbers that are online now.
Madam,
Okay.
Madam, I'm from Ghana, so and Mama Mary from Ghana.
Oh, sorry. Emmanuel Amwati, are you from Fiasiman?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. I need someone to volunteer. If you can now, if you can't and you are recommending someone who will join later, please let us know. But those online, can someone volunteer?
Alberto Fori. The class rep.
So you
Yes,
are not
madam. Yes, madam.
All right. So Albert, you've been nominated. Do you accept or not?
Okay, I accept.
All right. Thank you, Albert. So Danso, your hand is up.
Yes, please. I actually want to find out again, please. That's why I'm taking you back small, I beg. The course registration, when you finish registering, the computer application, which is document processing, that shows there is one. But in the model, it shows two. So I'm a little bit confused here.
So in your portal, you see one, not two.
Not two.
Okay. Well, I'll have to ask the registration officer about it, but it's not the course itself. We should not have one or two for computer application. Do you see document processing or just computer application in documents? In document processing, what do you see? Is it what for your registration? Is it document processing or computer applications?
It's document
Hello,
processing,
madam.
which is
So
Charity
there's
needed me.
no
Can I
one or
come
two.
in?
There should not be any one or two. Charity wants to say something. Hello? Charity, I think we've lost you. Okay.
Yes,
Go
madam,
back.
please, I'm here.
Okay.
So, madam, I'm doing BA in Ghana, and on my portal is document.
Is document processing in your portal?
Sure.
Hello? Oh, Charity, your network is terrible.
Processing one.
So in your portal is document processing one. Okay, so like I said, for the education student, would have to resolve that because the model as we use for computer application is document processing too, right? Now, if you're a business student, there should be no one or two because you are going to be doing computer applications in document processing and administrative systems and procedure, right? So there's no one or two for the become students. Okay. So check again if there's a one assigned to the course and let me know.
So, madam, please, is Charity here?
Okay, Charity, yes.
So, madam, please, if I just heard you, or you are saying the education students, we will be doing the one.
Yeah, you probably will be doing the one now, not the two. Yes, but I will need to confirm that with the registration officer, right? I think we had a similar issue the last time. So I want to confirm what the education students need to be doing, right? I will put that information on the platform that will be created soon. All right, so to the course reps, that is Isaac, Eugene, and Albert, kindly get all of us into a group and submit the names of your students in your center. All right, so we know the number of students per set center, and then we can begin to put together your presentation schedule. All right, so on that common platform, you are putting everyone on, and any relevant information we will drop it on that platform. I am forwarding my number now. As a chat box. All right. So pick my number so that you can add me to the group. All right. And we can begin from there. I think you all have the models. And so if you check the materials that have been sent to you, you should find the model. So that should really guide your learning and also guide how you put together your presentations. The modalities for the presentation will be communicated to you. It will be part of the schedule. How many minutes will be allocated to you, what is expected of you, and all of that, the date on which we begin the presentation, all that information will be in the schedule. So you are guided accordingly. I will pause here. Is there any question?
Madam, please, we didn't get your number.
What?
Your number.
I've sent it by message. It's in the chat box.
Okay.
Yes, in the chat box. So kindly check. You still can see it. Albert, your hand is up.
Yeah, madam. Please, some of us we don't have the models.
Oh, you don't? Do you not have the link to your models?
We have the soft copy, but we don't have the hard copy.
Oh, unfortunately, I don't know about that. I may be able to ask about it, but I don't know about the distribution of the model, right? So you may have to rely on the soft copies for now.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. So if
Hello,
there's
madam.
no, yeah, hello.
Madam, we are those who offering document one. We don't have the hard copy and soft copy. So how
Are
do
you
we
a BEd student, Samuel? Are you a
Yes,
BEd student?
madam. Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm not aware of, that's why I said I need clarification on this document processing for BEd students. So I'll get the information so you know whether you are doing the 2 before you go and do the 1, or you are doing the 1 this semester. You understand? So let me speak to the registration officer, and then I'll put the information on the WhatsApp platform that's created for all of us. Okay, then you can know what to do from there. All right.
Okay, madam.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Is there any other issue? All right. So I think we'll wrap up here. One of the things students do is attempt to dictate the pace of um, I would say for myself, and maybe for other lecturers you do as well, the pace of my class. You do not determine the pace of my class, right? For instance, I heard someone saying we are wasting all the time doing introductions. Facilitating a course is not just about pouring the knowledge, it's also about getting to know your students. So mind you, I am facilitating the course and I know how to pace it. You do not need to remind me, right? And I have some students who occasionally make it their business to try to determine how the course is paced. If we are not able to cover anything, it will be sent to you through videos. This is an online course. So just relax, enjoy the course, and take it as it goes. All right? You do not determine whether, especially during presentation, whether someone is taking more time or not, especially when we probably have not covered what they need to. So I'll need all of you to be emotionally mature throughout this course and allow it to take its natural flow. If for some reason we will need to make extra time, I will let you know, but hopefully we will not. Okay, so please be mindful of some of your utterances. Yes, all right. I'm told the soft copy for certain, the soft copy is different from the hard copy. Oh, Emanuela, I'm not. So you do have a hard copy, Emanuela. Kindly check if it's 1 or 2.
Yes, madam. It is 2. But the one on my portal is computer application and business.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, but what I had, the hard copy I have here is document processing 2.
Okay, so Emanuela, you probably weren't here when we started our discussion. So what you have as document processing 2 is what we'll be using for computer applications in document processing. So you are not lost.
Okay, madam. Please, thank you.
All right. Okay. So I think we'll be wrapping up here. Like I mentioned earlier, this is an introductory course. So, sorry, an introductory part of the course. So we just try to get to know each other and try to know what the course is all about. I think there's supposed to be an additional 1 hour And when is that? That's supposed to be on Sundays as well. Let me
I think
check
it's
it.
in the afternoon.
It's in the afternoon. Mhm. All I have here is 7 to 9 a.m. Per your timetable, when is this additional 1 hour? Per your timetable. Because
We are having it
10:30 to 11:30.
okay, 10:30 to 11:30. All right. Okay. So yes, kindly get us into the group as quickly as possible. We will begin all our discussions, God willing, next week, because I don't want us to get stuck in the middle. But what I would ask the course reps to do as quickly as possible, so that all of you will get to work and do not waste the 1 hour from 10:30 to 11:30. Course rep, kindly, within the shortest possible time, create the group and drop the names there. Then I will put together your presentation schedule, and for the 1 hour, begin to work on your presentations. All right. So we start official business, God willing, next week, and we get into what computer applications is all about. All right. Is there any other thing? Is there any other issue?
Madam, I have something to say.
Yeah, I did. Go ahead.
Per the grouping, or per the groups, I think the course reps, we have to get each other numbers so that we can make it fast. Because I'm from KTI and I don't know the other class, their class rep number.
Oh,
So
okay.
I don't know how we are going to make it in a one group.
All right. So Danson and Albert, kindly drop your numbers, and Isaac as well. Drop your numbers in the chat box so that your colleagues can pick it up.
Okay, please. But I was actually thinking, you said we are going to have as in center rep, but not as in general rep. But what he was asking for is to be as in general class rep, or am I confused or something,
I would
please?
say maybe like a general group, just one group, and after
Yes, we are
that,
going to have a general group. We will be having a general group. That's what I mentioned earlier. So I believe Isaac is saying that because he does not have the number for the various course reps for the different centers, right? Getting that general group will be difficult. So if they could get at least the course reps number, right? He could make you administrators and you could add your group members.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think that's what Isaac was saying. So it's just the numbers for the course reps. So that's
Yes,
your number, and then Albert, and then Isaac will share his number as well. So they can you can contact yourselves as course reps. Do you get it now, Danson?
yes, madam.
All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So we wrap up here. I will see you, God willing, next week. Please, if you do not need to exit the meeting so soon. So Eugene is sending his number. Isaac and Albert, send yours as well. But if you feel your course rep may not have your number and cannot add you on, then maybe stay in the room so that you can personally give your number to the course reps and they can pick it from here and then add you on. I hope you get what I mean.
Okay.
Yeah. So discuss it amongst yourselves and determine how you go about creating that general group because all the information will be sent through there. Mm. Okay. So I wish you all the best. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and the rest of your classes. I will see you, God willing, next week. All right.
Okay, thank you very much too.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
God bless you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So, Mr. Isaac, please, I've sent my number, so please you can add me to the group then, so that I can be able to add the members that I have, please.
I'm having it difficult to get the number, but um, can you chat me directly?
Perhaps Isaac, you can also put your number across by mentioning it.
So, Mr. Isaac, please, you can ask our brother said, you can do that for me right now.
Yes, you can just put your number across by mentioning the number so that we save it.
555
0
555
Okay.
14
14
11
11
97
97 0 555
14.
14 1197.
Okay, so you can chat me, then I'll also get yours.
Okay. So mine is last number is 92 now, so I will chat it right now so that it gets mine. Okay.
And I will produce a based on CV a bit create. We have a potential.
No, ni mbago daje mu dinko. Ya bro net ayiya. Ala ka bon fa.